Needham here.
And Mrs. Thompson.
We just thought we'd quickly talk you through the transition PowerPoint so you know what to expect when moving from year 2 to year 3. These are the teachers that you will see once you are in year 3. So Miss Denison's class, you will have Mrs. Thompson as your class teacher, and you'll also have Mrs. Pollock. Mrs. Wilkinson's class, you'll have me as your class teacher and Miss Smith. And then you'll also see Miss Bellard, and she'll be between both your classes. Playtimes and lunchtimes will be the same as they are now. So you will still have the ball area, the trim trail, the quiet area, the playground, and the field and the mugger. To begin with, this will be on a rota basis as to which area we have each day. So playtimes will be normal time, but we will have areas to play in which will change each day. So like I said, on a rota basis. This will be the same area that you'll also have at lunchtime as at break time. An adult will tell you where your area is, so you don't need to worry about that. Our lunch will be 12 o'clock till 12:45. You will eat your lunch at 12:30 in the dinner hall if you're a hot school dinner or packed lunch. There will only be one option for lunch, and then there'll also be the vegetarian alternative. In the morning when you come into school, you'll enter by the pupil entrance gate at the side of school, and this will be open from 8:30. You will then come up to the lower key stage 2 door, which is where you'll enter straight into the cloakroom, and you will need to be in class for 8:40 because this is when we start. Once you come through the lower key stage 2 door, you'll enter into the cloakroom, which is this area here that you see in the picture, and you'll be able to put your bags and your coats away, and you'll have your own peg with your name on. If you are in Mrs. Thompson's class, you will enter through the first picture where you can see the door there. And then if you're in my class, you will go through the other door out into the corridor where you can see the pegs for year 4 and along the corridor into our classroom. If you're in Mrs. Thompson's class, this is what your classroom will look like. And if you're in my class, this is what our classroom will look like.
So these are year 3 and 4 toilets that are in our cloakroom area, and you can obviously ask an adult and use those throughout the day. This is also where we'll be washing our hands before and after playtimes and lunchtime. At the end of the day, our school day will now finish at 3 o'clock, and you'll be picked up from the main playground just outside the play bench, and your adults will be asked to wait behind the red line for you. And when you see an adult, someone to collect you, put your hand up and we will send you to your adult. Your PE day still remains on a Monday, so please make sure you come into school in your PE kit and your trainers ready for some exercise in the afternoon. Our classroom displays at the moment are all blank because we would like you to help us set up our classrooms, help decide what you'd like on the displays to help you learn, and put your pieces of work up there the first couple of weeks back. So things that are the same and that's different was we've still got marbles in the jar, team points, happy box, bar and best rules, break times in the morning, although you will still be able to order snacks, so things like tea cake, crumpet and toast, and there's a list of those on the school website. And to begin with, we'll still have an afternoon break. Lunchtime routine, you'll go out and then you'll go for lunch, and we put the timings for our lunchtime on the PowerPoint and on your welcome letter. On a Friday afternoon, we'll still have celebration assembly where you get golden purple pen, star of the week and sister of the week, and we'll still allocate class jobs. On your first day, we're going to get your trays ready with all your things in. We're going to show you your coat pegs. We're going to ask you about the classroom displays and how you'd like the classrooms to look. We're going to start getting to know each other and share our transition board activities. Our daily routine, we'll have a morning activity and either maths or literacy, and the same after break because we're going to have maths and literacy mornings. We'll do some spag, and then after lunch, we'll have our foundation subjects and finish the day off with an end of the day jar question or story time. We can't wait to meet you all. We look forward to seeing you in year 3. Bye.